Guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York, coming to you with another classic car video. I'm actually at Lucas Ford here in South Hold, Long Island. I know this dealership very, very well because I bought a 2008 Mustang GT here, California Special, back in 2008 for my birthday, and the owner's called Howie Lucas. He's second generation owner's dealership, and his dad started many years ago, I think in either the 50s or the 60s. And a very nice dealership here, local dealership. They have a lot of awesome stuff. But the coolest thing about this dealership, guys, is that they get old Fords in. They have old trucks, old cars. I mean, they get these awesome trade-ins because a lot of people bought these cars here back then, and they really don't use them. On North Fork, Long Island, most people are farmers. They're in carpentry and stuff like that. And, you know, a lot of their trucks, sit, in the barns and stuff. So we have a pretty cool vehicle here, guys. Check this out. Here's an old Ford Econoline van from the 60s, I believe. I think it's so awesome. Now, it's got 5 lugs on it, which is really cool. It's been off the road since the 90s. It's an old inspection sticker from 93. But I would love to have this truck. Well, actually, van. I think it's pretty cool. Got a straight 6 in there. But this thing is awesome. Looks like it was used for carpentry. I guess it's an old carpenter's truck here. And it says something like, looks like molding finishing. Right? But here's something that they probably got traded in here. Well, they found it locally. I think it's the coolest thing in the world. Would you restore something like this? I would. These vans are going through the roof now, guys. First it was the cars, then the trucks. Now it's the vans people are restoring, and I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty solid. Really no rust on it. You have some surface rust. It's a 3-speed. Check it out. Simple van. Check out the tag. So there's a lot of stuff here at Lucas Ford. So if you swing on by, you go in the back, and there's a Pinto back there. And to the right is actually a Shelby GT, not GT 500, but Shelby GT. There's an old truck here too. But they got some awesome stuff here, and it's very low miles, and some great stuff. So definitely check out my videos, guys. Hundreds of classic car videos. Subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below. I'm not sure what year this vehicle is. I'm gonna Google it and research it, but it's pretty cool. Oh wow, it's open. Yes, you got pretty cool. Got a barbecue in there. Red van. I love this thing. So like and share my videos, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. Find hundreds of classic car videos all over Long Island, New York. And also in your comments, tell me where you're from. I'd like to know where all the people are viewing my videos. Out here in South Hold, Long Island, at Lucas Ford, with an awesome Ford Econoline van. See you guys later. Have a great day.